Scratch my back, and I'll scratch yours, unpacking a popular English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its many idioms and expressions. Today, we're exploring a particularly interesting phrase, scratch one's back. This idiom is widely used in English-speaking cultures, and understanding it can really help you in both casual and professional settings. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it means to scratch someone's back. The phrase, scratch one's back, is used to describe a situation where someone does a favor for someone else, expecting that the favor will be returned in the future. It's all about mutual benefit or help between two parties. The idea is that if I help you today, you'll help me tomorrow. It's important to note that this idiom doesn't literally involve scratching someone's back. It's purely metaphorical, symbolizing the act of helping or supporting someone. While the exact origins of the phrase are somewhat murky, it's believed to come from the basic human need for mutual assistance. The visual imagery of someone scratching another's back where they cannot reach themselves implies a personal favor or help that requires trust and reciprocity. Over time, this literal action turned into a metaphorical saying that's now part of everyday language. To use scratch one's back correctly, it's often presented in contexts where there's negotiation, favors, or informal agreements involved. Here are a few examples. If you can cover my shift this Saturday, I'll scratch your back next time you need a day off. The two companies have a scratch my back, and I'll scratch yours agreement when it comes to referrals. Remember, I scratched your back when you needed help with your project. Maybe you could help me with mine now? This idiom is understood and used in various English-speaking countries, and while the wording might slightly change, the essence remains the same. It's a universal concept of reciprocal help or favor exchange. However, it's worth mentioning that while the phrase is generally seen in a positive light, it can sometimes imply a more cunning or self-serving motive, depending on the context. And there you have it, the meaning and usage of scratch one's back. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas, emotions, and cultural nuances. So, the next time you offer help or ask for a favor, think about how this idiom applies. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!